So I used a water bottle and then I poured it all the way to the top where the line is on the cup. So next I use some green tea, and by the way, you guys could use any green tea you want. And I only put 1 green tea inside the cup. Next, I use vitamin C cough drops, and I only use 1 of those. Last, I use a spoonful of honey.
¿Quieres conocer a Dios? No sé. Estoy esperando que me avise.
Now I'm just going to mix it all in, making sure all the honey melts inside the tea.
No supimos nada por 3 días. Luego recibimos una llamada. Era Eduardo Pérez, el socio de tu padre. Nos traicionó. Se llevaron a tu hermano bajo nuestras leyes.
Now I'm going to warm up my tea for 1 minute so the cough drop can melt inside the tea. I hope this video helps you guys a lot to get rid of your coughs and your runny nose. If not, you can always go to the doctors and get a prescription or use cough syrup. Please like this video, comment any videos you guys want me to do, and subscribe. And you guys can also use this for your nose if it's still running. Now I'm out. Peace.